what we had to do to protect our tomatoes from birds. So this tomato is beginning to ripe, and normally at this stage you pick them out because the birds will devour them. Let me cut it out. So my daddy. I had to pick it with the thing. I had to just cut the tomato, but here it is right there. Jacob just pull it out. Wow, this tomato will finish ripening on the countertop. If you're the one to eat it, boy, let it get ripe. Looking so nice and juicy.